This is not the type of book I ever wanted to write. It's not the type of book which I ever thought there would even be a need to write, because, the US forces, and with that I include NATO, because NATO is the US. The rest are just a bunch of chihuahuas. Shape. And what I've seen is that there's a serious lack of discipline in these forces. You would have expected them to be really a force of good and really highly disciplined forces, things like that. They're not like that at all. And they're very prone to panic shooting. And then they kill. They kill whatever is in front of them. It's amazing. It's a 500-page book. You can see it is quite substantial. I could have made it 2,000 pages. And you would have thought there's not a lot of information available on the war crimes. In fact, there are tons of those information available, and not always on the liberal websites of the lefties or the communists, as the US citizen would contemptuously call anybody who disagrees with is a communist. Okay. I'm not a communist, never been a communist. We fought communism. But the book was written when I found out that 1 out of every 3 female students attending West Point Military Academy, which is the premier, military academy in the US, 1 out of 3 would be sexually abused or raped.